Welcome to Blagdon Lake, everybody. If you happen to watch my last video, you know I played around with a BCB Cooker. So today I thought I'd take it out and see if it actually works. I found a footpath down by the lake, so I thought I'd follow it for a bit. The water doesn't sound very appealing. This is a nice spot. It's in the shade and I got a bench. Let's do lunch. I've been hard at work, probably giving this too much thought. I've got a couple of add-ons that I've made. Remember the cooker from my last video? I've made a little tray out of aluminium foil. I've also got another tray to go underneath just to stop it from scorching the ground or scorching any wood that it's on. It's just a piece of aluminium with a piece of that builder's material stuck to it. I've also made a little windshield that's going to slot in behind the alcohol stove. Lovely job. I was hoping it would be enough fuel in there to make coffee and cook lunch. Today we've got this. Spicy pad thai. I think we're done. In you go, son. Let's see how much fuel we got left. Let me know what you think of the modifications and whether we can do anything better. Just hot enough. Don't want to waste anything. I almost didn't make it here today. I got lost twice. I got stuck behind the library van. I got stuck behind the tractor. All the lights were against me. It's all part of the fun, I guess. I'm going to finish my lunch now. That worked out quite well, just dunking it in the GSI kettle. I'll finish my lunch. I'll leave you with the view. And I'll see you next time.